Let's study neuroglia in peripheral nervous system and clinical correlation. Satellite or capsular cells. These surround cell bodies of neurons in sensory and autonomic ganglia. They provide structural support and nutrition to neuronal cell bodies. Schwann cells, also called neurolemmocytes, form myelin sheath around peripheral nerve fibers. They also form neurolemma around all nerve fibers of PNS. Clinical correlation, gliosis. It occurs in response to infection, trauma, or stroke. Microglia migrate to damaged area and perform phagocytosis. Damaged neurons are replaced by proliferating astrocytes. This process is called gliosis. Glioblastoma multiforme is most fatal brain tumor, arises from astrocytes, very poor prognosis. Life expectancy is 2 to 3 months.